whole time I'm like hero range, and I'm pretty sure it's her orange now. I feel like mine's cooler. Just throwing it out there. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. On today's episode of What Happened to This Box? I don't know. I am as equally concerned as you are. I think someone stepped on it or sat on it. I don't know. But those of you who are new here, hi, hello, editing me will put more about the box down below in the description. This is the IPSY Extra, and we're in June with the year of 2026. So, ta-da, poor thing. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make a thumbnail. It is sealed. Oh, yeah. Let me just open this up with my cloud knife. I just threw this guy the other day, but I was able to find it. Good job me for cleaning my office like 3 weeks ago. Yeah. But anywho, inside the IPSY Extra. Extra? IPSY Extra? Yeah. Inside this IPSY box. Let's be general. Inside this IPSY box, you get 5 full-size items. Oh, and as I'm opening, oh god, poor thing, you don't look okay. And as I'm opening this, I realize I didn't pull up the app on my phone per usual. But this is what's in here, 5 full... Hello? What are you? 5 full-size items. IPSY picks 2, you pick 3. What's this guy? Hold on, let me set this down. Okay, do your thing. Where? Okay, I'm not sure what that is. But let's take this out. Those of you who are not new to IPSY may remember these little guys used to come in the bags used to come in with the, they still do with the basic normal IPSY, but like, is there stuff in here? I'm confused. Where'd the bag come from? I purposely got rid of, like, well, not purposely, but like one of the reasons I got rid of just the basic IPSY, great stuff by the way, was the accumulation of bags. I couldn't just throw them away every month, but anywho, June 2026. We get these cute little like inserts with the box. It kind of is informative. So for this month, the theme idea behind this month's items is going to be blend the rules, turn up the color, take up space, make them look, because beauty isn't about impressing, it's about expressing. Dang, okay. And ma'am, I'm loving that lip. Did you? On the back, IPSY benefit edit box. Cool. Like if that's what you're into. It's coming up. A sneak peek into next month's box, I'm assuming. Oh, first aid. Oh, it's another packet. The elephant, drunk elephant drops. Dry shampoo. Does dry shampoo really work for anybody? Because like for me, it just makes the oil worse. And then inside, maybe this is some of the stuff that's in here, because I think the Rare Beauty thing was an item you could have picked. I already have a couple, so I didn't pick. But oh, that's cute. LGBTQ+ brands we love to love. Kimchi, Ryan Dubs, Matthew Taylor Rugery, Zach Dishinger. Oh, cute. Anywho, that's all that's in here. I could trash this. That's it. That's all that's in there. There's nothing really else. Except for this bag. What is this bag for? Is there something special? Wait, let me take this out. What is this? Did you save? Because did this save the items in my box? We'll find out. Okay, so these are the items. Like, is that what they... I don't know. let's go through, maybe? Or that's what I picked, they picked. Let's just go through this because this bag is throwing me off. That's a cute bag though. Was this not a bag once upon a time? I don't remember. What do you do with these? I remember I got a couple of these forever ago when I did the IPSY, I don't remember what it was called, but the bigger IPSY, back when BoxyCharm and IPSY were separate, and the IPSY was mostly just skincare, and I was not a fan. Now I'm so freaking grateful. That was like the greatest thing, but I'm confused. This is throwing me off. I hope editing me just takes all this out because I'm just, what's the bag for? Did I miss something? What's the bag for? Let's just get into this. The first item that was picked for me, oh, okay, I see where we're going. Maybe a theme. It's from Formula Z. It's the Aura Energy Glowing Primer for $24. Sure, $24. Dispense 1 to 2 pumps and smooth a thin layer over your face. Wear it alone for a fresh, radiant glow on your makeup to prime, or dab it on top of your cheekbones, collarbones, and shoulders. I was gonna say shoulder bones, but prickly pear cactus. Okay, own your aura. I'm not a glowy girly. I'm not. I am an oily girly, and because I'm oily, I don't want to glow. I don't want to really shimmer. I don't want to shine. I don't. And this is not that big. $24. Is it good though? Is it? I've never used it before, so like let me know in the comments. Is that an air, the airproof, airtight, the air seat? You know I'm talking about, the sealed, and you pump it and like no air gets it until you actually get it out. You know what I'm talking about? No, that's okay. Anywho, $24. Cute packaging. I'm a fan. Okay, on to the next item. Oh, also picked by IPSY for me. It is from TOYFACTORY. Let me guess, like, or let me hear your guesses as to how much you think this is. Like, just comment down below. Like, I would have guessed this much, or I'm guessing it's that much. So let me describe it to you. This is from TOYFACTORY. It's the Nialip lip liner in Nude Protocol and Deep Seek. How are you supposed to use it? You're going to twist it up, line the lips, and then blend in or fill as desired. You're going to wear alone or with lipstick or with a gloss. So we got 2 lippies in here. I like how the whole thing is like sealed. I'm not opening that. But there's 2 lippies in here. 2 lip liners. How big are my regular lip liners? So this is like just one I have chilling on my desk. They're a little bit smaller than a regular lip liner, but there's 2 in here. And if you guessed $40 for this, you were correct. What do you guess? Niacinamide infused. I feel like everything has niacinamide in it right now. But it's one of those buzzwords. $40. Am I just having a day? Does that seem like a lot for 240? And they're not that big. Anywho, cute packaging though. I do like how shiny it is. On to the next item. Oh, I picked the next item. I picked the next 3 items actually. So let me show you. So this one, ooh, Beauty Spotlight, $35. So $35, different items. So this is from Glow Recipes, the Watermelon Glow Dew Shield SPF 30, $35 value. I just wanted to see what it's all about. I want to try it. I definitely do. So for the tip, you're supposed to, Beauty Spotlight tip, generously apply to your face and neck as the last step in your skincare routine for hydrated and protected skin. I thought I was going to say last step in your beauty routine or something, and I was going to be like, no. Can I open this? Yeah, I can. It's always the bottom that oh, that's pretty. She looks super thin, but she looks pretty. That's not a whole heck of a lot either. Apply liberally and evenly 15 minutes before sun exposure. Yeah, you do. I use the 2 to 3 finger method, and then I kind of keep going after that, depending on the fluidity of this. And I could feel it moving around like thick water. So I'd probably do a little bit more. And if it soaks into my skin really well, I also apply more. Just throwing it out there. Cool. Now, I really want to know, is this going to move? Is this going to burn my eyes? Is it going to taste terrible? Because I'm not dealing with that. No, we're not doing that. But we're going to find out. And baby, I mean me. And then maybe you in an upcoming video. But let's, on to the next item. Ooh, from Tower 28 is a LipSoftie Tinted Lip Treatment in Sugar Plum. I picked this item. You're going to apply a generous amount to your lips for a smooth, sheer tint. $16. Isn't that about what like lippies are in the teens? Like higher teen pricing? Sugar Plum. I have a lippy on. I just reapplied it too. Ooh, broke the box. That's okay. Sugar Plum, Sugar Plum. All over the box this says Sugar Plum. That is so cute. And I'm going to guess this is the shade, the sheer shade. That's cute. The sheer shade that it is. I love my lippies. I am a fan of lippies. If you've seen my, I think once a year, what's in my bag videos, the majority of the items in my bag are lippies. I like lippies. They're fun, easy to collect and take everywhere and use. And on to the next item. $16 Tower 28 lippy. Oh, this next item. It is from MOONSLICE Beauty. It is the Celestial Crush palette for $35. So far, the most expensive thing in this box has been those lip liners. Let that sink in. $35. I think, so I picked this, but I think I saw this in one of the past boxes and I didn't get it because I think it was something IPSY picked for you. And oh, look at it. I wanted it, so I got it. Let me just show you how cute this is. First of all, does that not give you like OG ColourPop vibes? For me, it does. So cute. Yeah. Hi. There's no mirror. That's okay. But look at these colors. We're just fun pops of color. I haven't tried this brand either, so I'm excited to try it. Milky. Oh my gosh. If that's not the perfect milky color, at least in the pan. We'll see how it actually goes. You smell like cardboard. Cool. Alright, back in the box it goes because I'm not going to use it yet. We will though. But anywho, that's the whole box. Beauty's more fun here. IPSY, now let's play. This poor box. I'm glad you made it to me on time. And then to answer my question, yes, that little bit of crushed paper in the box, I saved my palette, I guess. And nothing else is smashed in here either. Good. 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 The most expensive thing in this box. Questions. Anybody know why? Oh my gosh, watch them be the best liners, like lip liners I've ever used. At least that'd be nice. What is this for? What did we have an excess and we just gotta get rid of them? So they're like, just put them in a box. Please, IPSY, don't start giving bags with the boxes. Do not. Do not. Because I have so many and then I feel bad throwing them away and I have nowhere else to give them to. IPSY, look at me. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Anywho, that's the box. June 2026. Here we are. I'm done. It's hair wash day. I don't know if you could tell by my half slick back look. It's hair wash day. I have to go handle this. But yeah, we're done. I'm going to put this in my playlist with my other IPSY boxes, IPSY Extra boxes. Yeah. So if you like what you saw, you're curious about last month's box, 3 months ago, a year ago, well, not a year ago. How long ago did IPSY? In here. Head on over, playlist, check them out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!